Hello Reedsburg. Today I want to share with you a few details about how our Operation Referendum on November 5th will help to address some of the most critical maintenance needs here at Webb Middle School, as well as at Pineview and Westside elementaries. As a result of the community survey that we gave last spring, this building will remain in operation for the foreseeable future. So there's some things that we have to do to keep it warm, safe, and dry during that time. The board will be taking a fiscally responsible approach to this work with projects that include patching some of the worst portions of our existing roof and increasing our roofing maintenance plan for the roof overall. We'll also work to both provide increased maintenance and repair to our existing HVAC, plumbing, and electrical systems to expand the lifespan of those existing systems for as long as possible. And we'll address some accessibility issues in this building under the American Disabilities Act because this building was built in 1957. At Pineview and Westside, we'll install security camera systems to bring those two schools in line with our other buildings, and we'll update our fire alarm systems. We'll also consider installing LED lighting in those two buildings to reduce overall operational costs. Now, there's an awful lot more information about both of the referendum questions available on our website, and you can find information through the QR code here. I hope that you'll seriously consider joining us in our continued pursuit of excellence on November 5th. Thanks, everybody.